that saved a wretch like me.
Good morning, all of now we dey listening to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional, a daily message book where the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today na Sunday, 28th of January 2024. Happy Sunday. Our topic today na Wetin be God Tempol, part 5. The memory verse today dey for Hebrews chapter 4 verse 16, and e talk say, make we no fear to enter where God throne dey, the place where grace dey, so that we go fit receive forgiveness, and God grace go help us where we need help. Our Bible reading na still Hebrews chapter 4 verse 15 to 16. This our high priest understand us when we dey weak, because all this temptation wey we dey face so, e face there too, but e no sin. Make we no fear to enter where God throne dey, so that we go fit get forgiveness, and God grace go help us when we need help. Now the message. God temple na also house of grace. Hebrews chapter 4 verse 16 call about God temple, throne of grace. Na place where we fit go collect grace and forgiveness the time when we need am. You fit need power and grace wey you fit take overcome some kind situation. The good news be say, Bible talk for 2 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 9 say, God grace dey plenty for una, and the power dey show when una dey weak. Una go receive in plenty grace if una come in temple. People wey dey go ogboni society because of power, dem know say they need to dey visit shrine every time to fit renew their power. Devil dey only wan try to copy Baba God method. We wey be say we get the original, we also need to dey go Baba God temple every time, make we fit take renew our power, and we go collect grace wey fresh to fit overcome any problem wey we dey face every day. Some people dey wey be say if they don sin, they no dey like go church because say they don look themselves as person wey dirty. That one no good at all. Na that time they need God forgiveness more, and where they fit get forgiveness na in throne of grace. Na that time they suppose to go church pass. If you reach in throne of grace, make you no carry gra go there o. Make you bring yourself come down well. Even though say you be worker for your church, no carry your shoulder up o. Kneel down for God, tell am say you don sin and you dey very sorry well. Tell am make he forgive you. Plenty people dey go temple with shoulder pad wey high well, just the way the Pharisee for Luke chapter 18 verse 10 to 40 take do. Some other people dey go like the publican for that same passage. Na the reason wey be say plenty people dey always dey go church, and plenty yamayama still full their body. Even though say you be pastor of the church, if you dey for Baba God throne of grace and you need the forgiveness, no pretend at all say you dey sorry o. Mean am for your heart. Kneel down and beg Baba God say you need the forgiveness for the Baba things wey you don do. Devil know say the only place where you fit get Baba God forgiveness and in grace na for him presence, when be in house. So you go do everything to take make sure say you no go in presence. Una know say devil been get the opportunity to take dey Baba God presence, but he lost that opportunity because of sin. We fit see that one for Ezekiel chapter 28 verse 14 to 16. And devil no want make una enjoy wetin you don lose o. My brethren, make una no let anything stop una to come Baba God presence, so una go fit receive in forgiveness and grace. The main message for today be say, make una dey humble go Baba God house, so una go fit receive in grace and in forgiveness from him throne of grace. I thank una as una listen to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy today's service for Baba God house o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
Appear the hour